We are here at Laurel Hill Golf Club in Lorton, Virginia, site of the 88th U.S. Amateur Public Links Championship. This championship is a national championship that the USGA conducts. We're very proud to host it here at Laurel Hill. Over the last month and a half, we've had 71 qualifying sites where golfers came from all across the country, every state of the union, in order to be here at Laurel Hill Golf Club. This is definitely the first time that the USGA championship, or any championship of this magnitude, has been hosted at Laurel Hill Golf Club or even in Fairfax, Virginia.
My role in Laurel Hill Golf Club is to feed all the players, our staff, volunteers. We've been feeding about 350 meals a day. There was a big challenge to create this. It created a lot of stress and a way of manage the vendors to deliver on time the food, to be able to have the freshness of produce for everyday meal, especially for breakfast, and the diversity of people to accommodate all kinds of foods. We never deny any request. We accommodate any request from a diabetic person to a vegetarian person. So we feed everybody. So nobody went hungry from here.
Without a doubt, the championship could not be successful without the volunteers. We have over 400 volunteers and a hardworking staff here at Laurel Hill Golf Club to make sure that we've got everything in place to make sure that the 156 competitors that are coming from all across the country, that are coming to Washington, D.C., coming to Fairfax, coming to Laurel Hill, have the best experience possible.